Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to online classes. I hope that you're all fine and safe at your homes. Students, today we shall discuss the use of is, am, are and was, were. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss the introduction, examples and some of the exercises from the textbook which are about use of is, am, are and was, were. So starting from the use of is, am and are, we use is with he, she, it and singular subjects. For example, he is a good boy and she is a nice girl. Next is when do we use are? We use are with we, they, you and plural subjects. For example, we are Muslims, they are good students. Next is the use of am. We use am with I. For example, I am a Pakistani girl. So next is the use of was and were. We use was with he, she, it, I and singular subjects. For example, he was a cunning man, she was a brave girl and I was ill yesterday. Next is we use were with we, they, you and plural subjects. For example, we were playing hockey or you were a good singer. Okay, next we are going to discuss the method of negative sentences, or we can say that we are going to discuss that how we are going to make negative sentences while using is, am, are and was, were. So while making negative sentences we put not after is, am, are and was, were. For example, children are not making a noise, he is not a fisherman, the beggar was not lame, all mangoes were not sour, these toys were not dirty, and I am a good student. So students, next is the method of interrogative sentences. We put is, am, are, was, were in the start of the sentence before subject and put a question mark in the end of the sentence while making interrogative sentences. For example, is the sun hot? Am I thankful to you? Are you tired? Were they speaking truth? And was this book interesting? Next is the method of double interrogative sentences. Now, what are double interrogative sentences? We say that double interrogative sentences are those types of sentences which start from interrogative pronouns. So, for making double interrogative sentences, we put interrogative pronouns which are why, where, when, what, how, who and whose in the start of the sentence. For example, who was in the garden? How tall were those trees? Where is he now? Who was in the garden? And what are you talking about? Next is the method of interrogative negative sentences. In these sentences, we put is, am, are, was, were in the start of the sentence before subject and put not after the subject. And as these are interrogative sentences as well, so we put a question mark in the end of the sentence as well. For example, am I not telling the truth? Was Hamid not intelligent? Were our soldiers not brave? Is he not old? And why was flower not red? Next we are going to do the translation from the textbook. हम सब मुसलमान हैं, we are all Muslims. अहमद दलेर सिपाही है, अहमद is a bold soldier. कुत्ता और घोड़ा वफादार जानवर हैं, dog and horse are faithful animals. हर पाकिस्तानी मुहिब्बे वतन है, every Pakistani is a patriot. वो मुअज़्ज़ज़ शहरी थे, they were respectable citizens. लाहौर बागात के लिए मशहूर है, लाहौर is famous for gardens. क्या वो कल बीमार था? Was he ill yesterday? आज बहुत से तालिब इल्म क्यों गैर हाजिर हैं? Why are so many students absent today? तुम्हारी टीम के खिलाड़ी कहाँ हैं? Where are the players of your team? क्या अमीर आदमी गरीबों पर मेहरबान था? Was the rich man kind to the poor? वो आपका क्या लगता है? What is he to you? 1 दर्जन अंडे खराब थे. 1 dozen eggs were rotten. क्या सब सवाल आसान थे? Were all the questions easy? ये खिलौना खूबसूरत ना था. This toy was not beautiful. टीपू सुल्तान आदिल हुक्मरान था. टीपू सुल्तान was a just ruler. Next is exercise number 2. क्या इस शहर में कोई हाई स्कूल है? Is there any high school in this city? क्या अमजद दयानतदार आदमी है? Is Amjad an honest man? क्या वो माहीगीर ना था? Was he not a fisherman? मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ. I am thankful to you. उसके दोनों भाई वकील थे. Both of his brothers were lawyers. पाकिस्तान का सबसे लंबा दरिया कौन सा है? Which is the longest river of Pakistan? K2 कितनी ऊंची चोटी है? How high is the top of K2? बसों के अड्डे पर कितनी बसें थीं? How many buses were there on the bus stop? उसके रिश्तेदार क्यों नाराज थे? Why were his relatives angry? क्या मोटर कारें सब खराब थीं? Were all the motor cars out of order? तालिब इल्म झूठा ना था. The student was not a liar. क्या ये खबर सच्ची है? Is this piece of news true? ये सवाल बहुत पेचीदा था. This question was very complicated. क्या तमाम सवाल मुश्किल थे? Were all the questions difficult? डॉक्टर कब अस्पताल में था? When was the doctor in the hospital? So that's it. So that's it with the use of is, am, are and was, were. Next we are going to do letter number 2, which is write a letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. आपने अपने फादर को लेटर लिखना है जिसमें आपने उनसे अपनी वालदा की सेहत के मुतालिक दरियाफ्त करना है. Starting from the opening of the letter, examination hall, comma, city A.B.C. March 25, 2021. Dear father, from Ali's letter, अली के ख़त से I have come to know that मुझे ये पता चला है mother is suffering from high blood pressure कि अम्मी हाई ब्लड प्रेशर का शिकार हैं. I am really worried about her. मैं उनके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हूँ. I hope that she is taking precautionary measures to bring it to normal. I hope that मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ she is taking precautionary measures कि वो एहतियाती तदाबीर इख्तियार कर रही हैं to bring it to normal इसे एतदाल पर लाने के लिए. प्लीज़ आस्क हर मेहरबानी फरमाकर उनसे कहें टू टेक हर मेडिसिन रेगुलरली कि वो अपनी अद्वियात बाकायदगी से इस्तेमाल करें. एंड ऑल्सो इन्फॉर्म मी और मुझे इतला करें अबाउट हर प्रेजेंट कंडीशन उनकी मौजूदा सूरत हाल के बारे में एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल जितना जल्द मुमकिन हो सके. एंक्शियसली वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाई आपके जवाब की बेताबी से मुंतज़िर. योर्स अफेक्शनेटली आपकी मुखलिस X.Y.Z. Students, for your home task, you need to learn all the translation exercises of use of is, am, are, was and were, and you need to learn letter number 2 as well. So students, that's it for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.